Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today is an exciting day. My good friends at Auxbeam reached out to me and saw my last video about the headlights and how much I dislike them. If you haven't watched that video, the 5 things I hate about my Can-Am Defender Limited, make sure you check it out after this video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe as well. So as you can see on these headlights, they are just factory halogen lights. They're not LEDs. And as I explained in my last video, they are just not bright enough for me. On this machine in particular, I use it for plowing a lot in the wintertime, and as everybody knows in the wintertime, it is dark by 5 o'clock and it's pitch black usually with blowing snow, and I need these headlights to perform well so I can see the road in which I'm plowing. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to replace these and what the before and the after is of how bright the stock headlights are versus the Auxbeam headlights. So as many of you know that's been following the channel for a while, I'm all about quality, and just the presentation alone from when you open the box is pretty good. These boxes are nice and sturdy, and when you open them up, you're going to see 2 light bulbs in each box. So when you go to order these, obviously order 1 box for driver's side and passenger side. You don't need to order 4 for the high beam and low beam on each side. And again, the quality is extremely nice on these just from picking them up. It's nice and heavy, and you can tell that it's going to last. At least it seems like that way just from holding it and taking a peek at it briefly. So I'm really excited to get these in. For those of you that have a machine that is like mine and looking to replace these factory headlights, these are the Q30 series, and it is the Q30-H11, and there also is a SKU on there, and it is GD002075. Let's get to the part that everybody's been waiting for, putting these new headlights in. I do want to show you real quick how to do it. It is a very, very simple process. The easiest thing to do is get on either side of the machine, kind of visually look at the lights, and then you can take a peek underneath and see where the actual light is. Put your hand on the back of the light bulb and go ahead and give it a twist. It's usually better to twist it to the right, and then you can kind of finagle it a little bit and gently get it out, and then it will just come down hanging here. Once you have the light out of the housing, what you're going to want to do is disconnect it on each side. There's going to be kind of a U-shaped clamp on either side of the bulb. Pull those clamps each way. You kind of again have to finesse it, and then gently pull the light bulb from the harness, and then put the new lights in the same way you took them out, and do that on each side, and you got your new lights in. So as you saw in the before and after footage, it is extremely different and way better. I can see significantly further down the road. Hopefully it's going to help in the middle of the night when I'm plowing in the winter time. Huge shout out to Auxbeam. These are super, super awesome headlights. The quality seems great, and obviously they perform well. And I'm excited to show you guys later down the road how they perform in the winter time. And of course, we've been doing some more videos, and we can see how well they last as far as their longevity goes. Once again, really appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more content like this, hit the like button, drop a comment below. Appreciate you guys. Take it easy.